DJI officially introduced the Mini 5 Pro on September 17, 2025. This latest drone is said to feature a large camera sensor and several other latest upgrades. Designed specifically for content creators and professionals who need a compact drone with high image quality, here are the specifications of the DJI Mini Pro 5 that you need to know.
Design and build quality. The Mini 5 Pro still features its signature ultra-compact design. When folded, it is only the size of a palm and weighs around 249.9 grams. This weight places it in the lightest regulatory category in many countries. The design features cooling grills in the camera area and large vents on the back for air circulation. In addition, DJI has integrated the gimbal protector with the propeller protector, making it more practical to attach and remove. The folds can be opened in any order, and when everything is unfolded, the device automatically turns on, so it is ready to fly faster. The propellers use a quick-release system, eliminating the need for a screwdriver in the field, and the mount feels more sturdy. At the bottom, there are still landing lights and landing sensors that help make the landing process more precise in various lighting conditions.
Display and control system. DJI offers two controller options for the Mini 5 Pro. The RC-N3 uses your phone as a display, while the RC2 comes with a built-in bright display that remains clear for outdoor use. Additionally, the RC2 features a micro SD slot for recording screenshots or video cache during flight. In terms of transmission, the Mini 5 Pro relies on the O4 Plus system, which can display a 1080p 60 fps feed at a distance of up to 20 kilometers under FCC standards or 10 kilometers in CE regions. Its antenna technology has also been upgraded with two transmitters, 4 receivers, and a new algorithm that is more resistant to interference. The result is not only greater distance, but also stable, clean, and responsive video quality. So when you're composing images in a place with many competing signals, the display on the screen remains smooth and reliable. Camera and gimbal. The Mini 5 Pro brings major improvements to the camera. The 1-inch 50-megapixel sensor with a 24mm equivalent lens is capable of producing sharp details, low noise, and much better low-light performance than the previous generation. Dynamic range up to 14 stops is available in Auto HDR mode, plus support for 10-bit H.265 recording in normal, D-Log-M, and HLG profiles. Maximum ISO reaches 12,800 in normal mode, while in D-Log-M and HLG it reaches 3,200, so night cityscapes remain detailed without excessive noise. For photos, the 50-megapixel RAW sensor provides great flexibility during editing, although certain modes such as panorama are limited to 12 megapixels to maintain stitching speed. DJI has also included a 48mm 2x med tele for more natural framing of human subjects, plus portrait optimization for natural-looking skin tones. On the stabilization side, the 3-axis gimbal now supports up to 225 degrees of roll, enabling extreme rotation effects that were previously only possible with large camera rigs. There are quick-shot rotate, time-lapse, spotlight, and waypoint flight for setting angles and flight paths with precision. Social media creators are also spoiled with true vertical shooting, where the camera physically rotates to produce full vertical videos without cropping. Just tap the icon on the screen once and the video is ready to upload. Flight performance. The Mini 5 Pro is equipped with a new image processing platform with updated algorithms. As a result, colors appear more accurate, noise is reduced at medium to high ISO, and there is more room for 10-bit grading. The preview feed feels more responsive, while highlight and shadow details appear smoother than the Mini 4 Pro, especially in difficult lighting conditions. Its flight capabilities have also been improved. The maximum speed reaches 19 meters per second with a plus battery or 18 meters per second with a standard battery, while the climb rate can reach 10 meters per second. Wind resistance has been increased to 12 meters per second, and the maximum takeoff altitude has been raised to 6,000 meters, making it suitable for missions in mountainous areas.
Security System and Smart Mode. The Mini 5 Pro brings a breakthrough with its LiDAR system combined with a fisheye lens, binocular camera, and 3D infrared sensor. This combination provides omnidirectional obstacle sensing nightscape, allowing the drone to detect obstacles in low light conditions, even at 1 lux. The nighttime RTH feature also utilizes LiDAR to detect tall buildings or other objects when returning to the starting point, then adjusts the altitude for greater safety. In addition, there is non-GNSS RTH, which allows the drone to remember the flight route with visual mapping when the satellite signal is disrupted. Dual-band L1 plus L5 GNSS support helps with faster and more stable satellite locking. On the smart features side, Active Track 360 degrees is now more flexible because it can adjust the framing and strategy for following subjects according to the context. Cycling mode provides a more agile response, while standard mode keeps movement stable. The maximum tracking speed can reach 15 meters per second in open areas, while in complex areas, the drone can automatically switch to rear tracking for greater safety. For cinematic video creation, MasterShots offers ready-to-use camera movement templates, while BrickShots provides options such as rotate, droney, circle, helix, rocket, boomerang, and asteroid. There is also Free Panorama, which allows you to select a specific area, and the camera will compile it into a smooth panorama with an extra wide angle.
Battery and storage. The Mini 5 Pro offers a significant improvement in battery life. The standard version can fly for up to 36 minutes, while the Plus battery can reach 52 minutes, despite adding weight above 249 grams, which may affect regulations in some regions. The Fly More package provides 3 batteries that can be fully charged in about 115 minutes via the two-way charging hub. Interestingly, this hub not only charges batteries sequentially, but can also transfer remaining power to a selected battery or function as an emergency power bank. Compatibility with Mini 4 Pro batteries is available, but optimal performance is achieved with official Mini 5 Pro batteries. For storage, the drone comes with 42 gigabytes of internal memory, allowing it to record even if you forget to bring a microSD card. An external slot is still available, and the USB-C connection makes it easy to transfer files directly to a computer even without fully powering on the drone. For added convenience, it features Wi-Fi 6 with transfer speeds of up to 100 megabytes per second, along with the off-state quick transfer feature, which allows file downloads via the DJI Fly app without needing to remove the drone from its case. The transfer process continues in the background even if you switch apps on your phone. DJI Mini 5 Pro price. For the Indonesian market, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is officially available in several package options. All of these packages can be purchased directly with an official warranty. Basic, priced at $734 US. Fly More Combo DJI RCN3, priced at $871 US. Fly More Combo DJI RC2, priced at $1,031 US. Fly More Combo Plus DJI RC2, priced at $1,091 US.